In this video, I am going to show you why and how we shrink, create and extend partition in Windows. Sometimes our C drive is full, sometimes we need a new drive to store files, or maybe we want to increase space for a drive. For all that, we use these three options: shrink, create new volume and extend volume. Let's do this step by step. First, let's shrink the drive. Shrinking means we are taking some free space out from a big drive. We do this when we want to create a new partition. So first right click this PC, manage, select disk management. Now you will see all your disks. Select the drive you want to shrink, for example F drive. Right click, shrink volume. Windows will calculate free space. Now enter how much space you want to shrink, like 10 GB or 20 GB. Click shrink. That's it. Now you will see unallocated space created. Now from the unallocated space, we will make a brand new drive. Right click on the unallocated space, select new simple volume, click next, enter the size, click next, choose a drive letter like DOG, click next, format as NTFS and click finish. Now you have brand new drive created from the shrink space. Okay guys, next we extend a drive. Extending means we are adding extra space to an existing drive. We do this when the drive is full or we want more space. Important: to extend, you must have unallocated space right next to that drive. So right click the drive you want to extend, for example F drive, click extend volume, click next, add how much size you want to add, click next and click finish. Now your drive is bigger.